Welcome to this quick and helpful tutorial. In today's video, you'll learn how to pause your watch history in the YouTube app, step by step. This feature helps you keep your activity private and prevent YouTube from tracking your viewed videos. Let's dive into the process and make your experience more private. Open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the Profile menu, tap on the Settings icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on History and Privacy. In this menu, find the option labeled Pause Watch History. Toggle the switch to enable this setting. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Pause to confirm your action. That's it. Your watch history is now paused, and YouTube will stop recording videos you watch until you turn it back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Take control of your privacy and enjoy YouTube the way you want.